today we will see JIT. What is mean by JIT? JIT means just in time. Just in time is called a philosophy because it goes beyond inventory control. No, not because inventory control we have seen in industrial management and engineering economics. What is mean by inventory control? But it goes beyond inventory control and encompasses the entire system of productions. To sum up, JIT is an approach that seeks to eliminate all sources of waste in production activities by providing the right part at the right place and at the right time. That means for elimination of all sources of waste, what we are doing? By providing right part at right place at right time. This is the approach of just in time or JIT. It is a approach of JIT to eliminate all the wastes. Now, romantic JIT consists of various slogans, ideology, goals such as size of one, zero inventories, zero defects. Second, pragmatic JIT consists of set of techniques, some fairly technical that relate to machine changeovers, layout design, product simplification, quality training, equipment maintenance, etc. Lean production and JIT. Lean means again reducing of waste. JIT is also reducing the waste. That means if this is some correlation between lean production and JIT. So both are used for avoidance of waste. The waste of time caused by having repair faulty products, the waste of investment in keeping high inventories, the waste of having idle workers. These are the three major wastes. Elements of lean production: consider organization in terms of supply chain of value streams which extends from suppliers to a final customers. Organize workers to form teams. Produce products of perfect quality through continuous improvement. Doing operations by product / cellular manufacturing. Operate facility in JIT mode. Just in time is a key element of lean production. JIT means producing the quantity of units that is needed, producing them on the date and time required. Supplier delivers the exact quantity demanded at the scheduled time and date. Concept of JIT. There are three fundamental concepts of JIT: elimination of waste and variability, pull versus push system, and manufacturing cycle time. Throughout the time. Throughput the time means throughout the time. Whatever will be that reduction. Everywhere reduction of time, reduction of waste. Pull versus push means we are increasing the inventory, we are pushing the product into the market. Now in pull system, from customer, when demand comes, we are start the product producing the product and delivering it as per the commitment given to the customer. One is elimination of waste and variety reduction. एक product घेतला तर एक products being stored, inspected, delayed, products waiting in queue, and defective products do not add value and are waste. Variability is any deviation from optimum process that delivers perfect product on time. Every time inventory hides variability and results into waste. जसजसं तुमचं वाढत जाणार आहे, जसजसे व्हरायटी वाढेल, जस व्हरायटी वाढली की व्हेरिएबल्स वाढले, व्हेरिएबल्स झालं की ऑटोमॅटिकली व्हॉट इज गोइंग टू रिझल्ट? Inventory results means increases, means automatically we are pushing the system and we are producing the system producing the waste, and waste is nothing but the loss to the organization. So we have to reduce that waste. Pull versus push system. Pull system results into material being produced and supplied only when requested and move forward only when needed, while in push system pushes the material into downstream workstation regardless of their requirement and hence encourages the waste. Third one is manufacturing cycle time is the time between the arrival of raw materials and the shipping of the final product. JIT helps in reducing the manufacturing cycle time. It reducing the manufacturing cycle time. These are the three major. With the help of these three, we can reduce the timings. We can reduce the inventories, and so we are moving towards reducing the waste. Now there are little JIT and big JIT. Little JIT, it is a form of production, scheduling and inventory management whereby products are being produced only to meet actual demand and materials for each stage are received, produced just in time for the next stage production. Big JIT emphasizes the full range of organizational and operational improvements and seeks to eliminate waste in all aspects of firms production activities. Human relations, vendor relation, technology and the management materials and inventories. Everywhere we are going to apply the JIT concept so that we are going to reduce the waste. We are going to waste means time also we are reducing and everything. Time is also going to be waste. So we have to save the time. Objective of JIT manufacturing: one, produce only the products and services that customer wants. Produce products only as quickly as possible. Customer want to use them. Produce products with perfect quality. Produce in minimum possible time. Produce products with feature only what customer want. Produce with no waste of labor, materials and equipments. Produce the methods that reinforce the occupational and development workers. That reinforce an occupational development of workers. अशा methods, produce the methods that reinforce the occupational development of वर्करच्या फायद्याच्या हिशोबानेच तुम्हाला विचार करणं जरूर. These are the objectives of JIT manufacturing. Overview of JIT manufacturing: one is inventory reduction, reduce the inventory at all levels of production. Second, quality improvement. JIT provides procedure for improving quality both within and outside the firm. Third, reducing or lead time reduction. With JIT, lead time components such as setup time and move times are reduced. Are reduced. Fourth one is vendor control. Deal only with few suppliers to improve on organization's take on price, delivery and quality. Price, delivery and quality ह्याच्यावर जे भर देणारे लोक आहेत अशा सप्लायर्स कमीत कमी सप्लायर्सशी तुम्ही टचमध्ये राहा. Continuous improvement. Existing problems are corrected and new problems are identified in never ending improvement process or implementation of Kaizen. Sixth one is TPM. JIT reduces the risk on equipment breakdowns. When TPM is there, total product preventive maintenance, that reduces the risk of equipment for going to the breakdown, which automatically equipment is not going to the breakdown. It produces more quantity during the stipulated time. Seventh one is strategic gain. JIT provides the management with means of developing, implementing and maintaining sustainable competitive advantage in the marketplace. डेव्हलपिंग म्हणजे कैझन, इम्प्लिमेंटेशन ऑफ गुड अँड मेंटेनिंग, परत सगळे ते सस्टेनेबल कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह ॲडव्हान्टेज इन द मार्केट प्लेस. मार्केटमध्ये जे काही कॉम्पिटिटर असेल त्यांच्या हिशोबाने जे काही होतं आहे त्यांच्या हिशोबाने वी आर गोइंग टू बी नंबर वन. इफ वी अप्लाय अ चीट, वी रिड्यूस वेस्ट, ऑटोमॅटिकली वी कॅन मूव फॉरवर्ड. Ideal production system and cheat production. Only one type of product is produced. Demand for the product is constant at the rate of 1 unit every t units of time. Customer purchases the product at the production facility. All resources need to be produced. The product are available in the production site. All materials are without defect and will be delivered only when needed, and only the amount needed will be provided. Will be provided. Ideal production system and people. The amount of processing time required to make 1 unit of product is NT, where n is a positive integer. 7. There is no randomness in processing times. 8. No defects are produced. 9. Machines never wear out or break down. 10th. Employees always show up for work and never make mistakes. These are the ideal condition, but it is not going to happen. So we have to go for the JIT. Characteristics of pull method of material flow. The customer demand activates the production of atom and produced in small lots just as needed. Second one, constant high quality. Efficient JIT system operations require conformance to product, service specifications, and controls quality at source, and workers acting as their own quality inspector. म्हणजे क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव्ह करून जस्ट TPM ऑपरेट करून सगळ्या वेगवेगळ्या टूल्स कैझन वगैरे आपले इम्प्लिमेंटेशन करून काय करणार आम्ही प्रॉडक्ट जो आहे हा चांगल्या क्वालिटीचाच वी आर गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस द रिक्वायरमेंट ॲज पर द कस्टमर, so that there should not be any rejection. Small lot sizes. JIT system maintains inventory with small lot sizes, giving advantages of reduction of cycle inventory, reduce lead time, and create uniform operating system workflow. To overcome disadvantage of increased frequency in setup time, and hence operations must reduce setup time to realize benefit of all lot of productions. Like Kaizen, SMED, that we have to implement here. Uniform workstation load. JIT system works best in daily load on individual workstation is uniform. This can be achieved by assembling the same type and number of products each day, thus creating a uniform daily demand at all workstations. Next is standardized components and work methods is called part commonality and modularity. Standardization of components and work methods aid in achieving high productivity and low inventory. Close supplier ties. Close relation with suppliers is necessary due to low stock of inventories. Stock shipments must be frequent with short lead times and arrive on schedule and be of high quality. Seventh one is flexible workforce. Workers in flexible workforce can be trained to perform more than one job. High degree of flexibility in workforce can be achieved with little training. Inline flow strategy. A line flow strategy can reduce frequency of setups. Group technology can be used. You can be used to design small production lines that manufacture in volumes, families of components with common attributes. Automated production. Benefits of automated production include greater profits and market share. Preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance can reduce the frequency and duration of machine downtime or machine breakdown. Now from tomorrow we will go for the what is mean by what is the difference between JIT manufacturing versus JIT purchasing. Okay, thank you.